Hey, what are you up to?
Yes, I'm watching a video.
Are you sweating?
It's hot. It's hot under this cover.
Watching a video under cover?
Because it needs to be dark. It's a holographic video. Would you like to join me and watch it together?
No thank you. I don't think so. No way.
Making a device to see the holographic video or image is so simple. All you need is a transparent plastic sheet, some templates, scissors, marker, and you can see here I have sellotape. I made one simple one earlier and it works very well. Now I'm trying to make a bigger one, so I put this simple small one away and using the bigger template. You can easily download this off the internet. There's plenty of them everywhere, lots of websites. Just search holographic pyramid template and you'll find lots of them. So for plastic sheet, what did I did? I used something that we have for laminating. We use this a lot at school. So this is soft, obviously. I laminated that and made it to the hard plastic sheet like this, transparent, and that's all I need. After you cut your templates and the plastic sheet, just remember the size of this depends on the size of your screen. If you're using the mobile phone, the small one probably would be enough for it. For bigger ones such as iPad, even laptop, you need either this size or even much bigger than this. The science behind this is an effect called Pepper's ghost. Pepper was the English scientist who first used this technique. It's all based on the reflection of the image go through these transparent sheets and forming a 3D image right in the middle. So if you look at this in the dark room from the side, you will see the holographic 3D image. They use this technique in theaters to show the image of the ghost to scare people, and people obviously believe that they didn't know anything about this effect. The last part is just using the sellotape and sticking these two parts together, and your device is ready. Okay, just make sure before using it you clean the side, so lots of fingerprints on it. You place it on top of your mobile phone. This is obviously big for my mobile phone. If you have bigger one, iPad, this is very good size. For the images and videos, there's lots of them you can download off the internet. I put some link in the description. You can go there and download some videos or images for your holographic video. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.